To turn on or off the flashlight on your iPhone, you can follow these simple steps. First, locate the flashlight icon on your device, which is typically found in the control center. To access the control center, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen if you have an iPhone 10 or later, or swipe up from the bottom of the screen if you have an iPhone 8 or earlier. Once you have accessed the control center, look for the flashlight icon, which resembles a small flashlight. Tap on this icon to turn the flashlight on. You will know the flashlight is on when the icon is highlighted and you see a bright light coming from the camera flash on the back of your iPhone. To turn the flashlight off, simply tap the flashlight icon again in the control center. The icon will no longer be highlighted and the light from the camera flash will turn off. You can also ask Siri to turn the flashlight on or off by saying "turn on flashlight" or "turn off flashlight." It is also possible to add the flashlight icon to your iPhone's lock screen for easy access. To do this, go to the Settings app, then tap on Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode, and make sure the switch next to Control Center is turned on. Then, when your iPhone is locked, you can swipe down from the top right corner or swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the control center and turn the flashlight on or off. Remember to use your iPhone's flashlight responsibly and avoid shining it directly into people's eyes or at animals, as this can cause discomfort or harm. By following these steps, you can easily turn the flashlight on or off on your iPhone and use it when you need a little extra light.